Okay, we worship Goddess Lakshmi. Why we all Indians are supposed to worship Goddess Lakshmi? It's our tradition that we always supposed to worship Goddess Lakshmi only because of the purpose that Goddess Lakshmi gives the good health, wealth and money. It's supposed by everybody in the world, in India especially. I know this thing that God always showers us with great happiness of wealth and ambience of fragrance of good atmosphere of the wealth and all this. But you know what? I think you all forget one more tradition. I think, and me too. For a while, you know what we forgot. I will remember you. Let you remember. Just remember one thing. Our mom, when she was at nowadays, may perhaps she is going alone because she grown up, but she grown up in the sense she changed, innovated because of the new scenario. And just observe, have ever your mom went any ball or party etc without your dad? Most of the times our moms are supposed to go with her dad. I will say to her father that please come along with me because it will be more reputed for me, it will be more honorable for me if you will go along with me. And for any kind of worship too, we always supposed to go with our husbands etc. Because India's tradition is just like this, that we just have to go along with our husband. So if you are inviting Goddess Lakshmi, why are you not praising her husband? Okay, so if you want to invite Goddess Lakshmi, so just invite who is the husband of Goddess Lakshmi. Okay, so if we will invite Lord Vishnu, automatically Goddess Lakshmi will come to our home, our residence, and she will always shower us with good wealth, health and prosperity. So start worshipping Lord Vishnu also, because Lord Vishnu is not merely the husband of Goddess Lakshmi. He is just the, I'm not cursing it, I'm not forcing you that you have to worship Lord Vishnu, and I'm not superstitious too. It's just about the fact, and I'm just talking about the fact that every husband will come when you, every woman will come to your home when you invite her husband too. So just remember this thing.